Budget LS Factory 5 Roadster Backorder unboxing coming right up. Well, this is obviously going to be the steering rack, power steering rack. There should also be a grommet in here for the gas tank. How come you don't want to be on my camera? This is a big one. Okay, let's open it up. Let me see. Pull that wrapping out. I don't like that. Wait a minute, let's see if there's anything else. What's this? It's our grommet we needed right there. Isn't it? Yeah, that's okay. Okay, I'm gonna lift this up. Is there anything else in there? Yeah, it's our packaging list. Okay.
Why is it so big?
I'm gonna lift this up and you move this box out from underneath. Are you ready? Go! Push! Okay, pick up.
Yay, make me sound sleeping.
Okay, we're opening it. Well, you tell me.
Gas engine.
A gas engine? No. That's a steering rack. Yeah. Nope, it's a power steering rack.
Oh.
Okay, you pull this package off. Yeah, pull it off. Oh, keep pulling. Pull hard, harder. There we go. Got it. Yeah. Check this out.
That's like a gun.
Well, if we take a look at this power steering rack, obviously these bushings and sleeves need to come out because I have ones that are supplied from Factory 5. Also, they have supplied fittings and hoses that go from the rack to the pump, but I don't know what fittings come out of the power steering pump from my LS engine. So if anybody knows, please leave it in the comments below. Also, are the pressures correct? I know there's a high pressure side and a low pressure side, but I don't know if my LS engine puts out too much or not enough for a rack like this, or maybe it's all universal. But this is a Ford rack, and I'm putting a GM motor in here. But if you know, please leave it in the comments below. In addition, the manual isn't clear on this power steering rack if I need to trim these ends here. I'm hoping that I don't. have to trim those for the tie rod ends, but if I do, then it needs to be done. One note about my backorder status: I ordered my kit about 6 months ago and have received a backorder shipment on average about once a month. There hasn't been anything that I haven't had that has totally stopped my build. I have had to skip a few things and go back, like this steering rack, but that's no problem. According to this packing list here, I only have one more thing on my backorder list, which is the door latch components, which I obviously won't need for a while. So if you're considering ordering a kit, but you're afraid about the backorder shipments, I wouldn't let that hold you up. I would much rather have had this kit and gotten started than waiting really indefinitely. So thank you to Factory 5 Racing for fulfilling those orders as fast as they can. Thanks for watching.